Have you ever wondered why you still feel tired, bloated, or low on energy even when you think you're eating healthy? Sometimes it's not about adding more healthy foods to your diet. It's about removing the foods that may be working against your body. In today's video, I'm sharing the 9 foods I stopped eating for better health and why these simple changes made such a big difference. Let's get started. Yes. The first food I stopped eating was sugary breakfast cereal. Yes, even cereals that look healthy can be packed with added sugar. They cause your blood sugar to rise quickly and then crash, leaving you feeling tired and hungry. Just a few hours later, instead I choose protein-rich breakfasts like eggs, Greek yogurt, or oatmeal with fruit. These meals keep me full longer, give me steady energy, and help me avoid unnecessary cravings throughout the morning. The second thing I stopped drinking was soda. Soft drinks contain large amounts of added sugar. Without providing any important nutrients, they can increase your daily calorie intake without making you feel full. I replace them with water, sparkling water, or unsweetened herbal tea. Sometimes I add lemon or fresh fruit for extra flavor. This simple change has helped me stay hydrated while cutting back on unnecessary sugar. I also reduce processed meats like bacon, sausages, and hot dogs. These foods are often high in sodium and preservatives. Instead, I started eating more fresh protein sources like chicken, turkey, fish, beans, and lentils. They provide the protein my body needs without as many processed ingredients.
Oh my god.
And I feel much better after eating them. Deep fried foods were another thing I decided to avoid. They're usually high in unhealthy fats and extra calories that can leave you feeling sluggish. Instead of frying my meals, I bake, grill, or air fry them. The food still tastes delicious while using much less oil. I also enjoy roasted vegetables as a healthier side dish that adds more nutrients to my meals. I stopped eating white bread every day because it's made with refined grains that contain very little fiber. It fills you up for a short time, but hunger comes back quickly. Now I prefer whole grain or sourdough bread. The extra fiber helps support digestion, keeps me full longer, and provides more steady energy throughout the day. Candy was another food I chose to limit. It's loaded with sugar but offers almost no nutritional value. It satisfies sweet cravings for only a few minutes before making you want even more. Now I usually eat fruit or a small piece of dark chocolate when I want something sweet. These choices are much more satisfying and help reduce constant sugar cravings. Packaged pastries may be convenient, but they're often made with refined flour, unhealthy fats, and lots of added sugar. They can cause energy crashes and leave you feeling hungry again very quickly. Instead, I make simple snacks like Greek yogurt with berries, nuts, or fresh fruit. These healthier options keep my energy stable and make me feel much better throughout the day. Instant noodles were another food I cut back on. They're quick and convenient, but they're usually high in sodium and low in important nutrients. They also don't keep me full for very long. Now I prepare simple homemade meals with vegetables, whole grains, and protein. They don't take much longer to make and are much more nutritious. Finally, I stopped eating ice cream on a regular basis. While it's perfectly fine as an occasional treat, it's
Oh my
often
god.
high in sugar and saturated fat. For everyday desserts, I now choose frozen fruit or Greek yogurt. These options are naturally sweet, refreshing, and help me stay consistent with my healthy eating habits. Remember, healthy eating isn't about being perfect or giving up every food you enjoy. It's about making small sustainable changes that support your health over time. Let me know in the comments which of these foods would be the hardest for you to stop eating. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.